We rely on them to build our world. But how long until the masters of manufacturing realize their true potential? Every year, more than 1 billion smartphones are built across a handful of extraordinary factories. Every intelligent smartphone starts as ordinary rocks, minerals, and sand. Before AI robots, silicon forms the brain of a smartphone, but without another remarkable metal, those billions of transistors could never communicate. The materials have arrived. Now the real transformation begins. In the next chapter, AI robots will turn these
The smartphone's brain is finally alive, but without memory, cameras, antennas, and dozens of other components, it remains
For the first time, this collection of parts is about to become a real smartphone. The next few seconds will determine whether months of manufacturing succeed or fail.
The assembly is complete, but before this smartphone can leave the factory, it must prove that every camera, every sensor, building a smartphone is only half the challenge. Before it reaches a customer, it must survive drops, water, heat, pressure, Audio test sequence initiated. Frequency response check. 1, 2, 3.
The engineering is complete, but before these smartphones reach store shelves, they must be packaged, tracked, and shipped.
But the story doesn't end here. Behind every smartphone are astonishing engineering achievements, hidden technology,
We are connected, a world united by light.
Every smartphone tells a story, not just of technology, but of human ingenuity, global collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of innovation.
Every smartphone begins as raw materials. Every innovation begins as an idea. The future is already being built,